Jesus is Lord. So mount your camera on a tripod here, okay? Use landscape mode. Then after that, you record your empty background for some few seconds, like you have seen me do here. Then after recording your empty background, you walk into the scene and just walk past. Look at what I am doing. Just walk past. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your video to workspace.
What's that?
Import it. Now click on the video. Look for volume. Click on volume. Reduce it to 0. Then you go front. At this point, you want to be cutting out an empty background. So click on the video, make a split, delete this last part. Then you come here, click on text, add text. Then you write anything of your choice. Look at what I am doing. Whatever you want to write is what you are going to be writing here. Okay, I'm writing Jesus is coming soon. So whatever you like is what you write here. After writing it, click on effects. Click on effects to add your color. Choose your preferably color. Click on fonts. Then you choose the size of your text. Choose your font size. After that, you click on it. You want to adjust it a bit. That is if you like. After adjusting it, then you click on the text and drag it to the ending part of the background. You can see what I did. Then after that, the next thing now is to be exporting this one. You export it. Now it will install in your gallery. Okay, you click on done. So click on done, click on new project again, import your video for the second time. Click on it and go and look for volume. Okay, look for volume, click on volume, reduce it to 0 again. Then you want to be cutting out empty background like you did at the first time. You click on the video, click on it and make a split. Click on split. Then at this point you are not deleting this one, rather you look for overlay. Look for overlay now. Then look for overlay. Look for overlay. Click on overlay. Okay, then you drag it to the beginning of the video. Look at what I am doing. You want to be dragging it to the beginning. Then at this point you locate where you want your own to start from. Look at this place where I'm about coming out. I'll be clicking on the video now to make a split. Okay, then I delete this first one and I click it and bring it to the beginning again. Okay, so at this point now I want to be clicking on overlay. Click on overlay. Then you import your text. Look at your text you work on. Then at this point you adjust the text the way you want it to be. Then you go and look for mask. After adjusting it, you go and look for mask. Okay, so this point, go and look for mask. Look for mask. Look for mask. Click on mask now. Click on horizontal. Then you hold that line and turn it. Look at what I'm doing. Turn the line, turn it, turn it. You have not finished turning it. At this point, bring it to the ending. Close it completely. Then at this point, you want to be adding keyframe. You add keyframe. You click on keyframe. Okay. Look at what I'm going to be doing. After you click on keyframe now, you adjust the video. Look at me coming out. Look at me coming out. Okay. At this point, you want to be adjusting the line. You move with the line. Your own is to be adjusting the video. Then you are reviewing the text. You can see now you start reviewing the text. As you are adjusting the video, you are revealing the text. Look at it. But don't cut yourself. Make sure you are at the point of your body. Don't cut yourself, but make sure you are just adjusting the video. As you are adjusting the video and adjusting the line, the key will be adding automatically. Your own is just to be adjusting the video and adjusting the line. Take time here, don't rush. Do it gradually so that you will get a better result. Okay, let's go. Follow me now. You are adjusting it, you are adjusting the line, you are adjusting the video, you are adjusting the line. Keep doing it to the end. Keep adjusting it. Follow what I am doing so that you will not make mistake. Look at what I am doing. You are adjusting it, you are adjusting the line. You are adjusting it, you are adjusting the line. The moment you work out, you can now finish it. Adjust it a bit. Now you can now preview the test completely. Okay. So you mark on this good now and go back. Then play the video. Let's see what we have got. Okay, let's play it and see what we have got. You can see this is good, this is good, this is good. Okay. So after playing it now, you can see, take your time, watch it over and over again if there is any mistake, so that you can correct it. But after watching it, if there is no mistake, so what we'll be doing now is we'll go to the ending part of the video. Look at this place, you click on the video, make a split, click on this place, make a split, click on this one, make a split, then you delete the three of them, start deleting them one after the other. After deleting them now, this video is ready. Okay, this video is ready. What will be remaining on this video now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be. Then after that, you can now export this your video and share it to your social media handles. But I don't know, maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add the light, I don't know how to add the sound. I want you to put me through. No problem, my number is at the description of this video. What you need to do is just go there and DM me, so that we'll see how we can put you through. Or better still, you can put it at the comment section. Okay, so that we'll see how we can put you through. Okay. So after that now, what will be remaining here is to export this video. So you click on export and export your video. Click on export now. Yes, the video have exported into your gallery. Now you can share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video, so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, for more updates. Locate your notification bell. Okay, so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials and updates. Until we come your way again, stay safe.